Hi, I'm Jordan Gustafson. I'm from Ardrossan, Alberta, and I play center. Yeah, my favorite memory playing hockey was with the Fort Sask Rangers. It was in my Bantam second year. We won the league, and it went to overtime, second overtime actually, and we potted a goal early in that overtime and won it. So it was a pretty special moment. Yeah, I started learning guitar at the start of quarantine, and I kind of picked that up, and I love all sorts of music. I'm really passionate towards music, so that's probably it. I don't know. I feel like I'd be a pretty good singer. I don't know. Probably like a singer, like a Ed Sheeran type guy. Oh, cereal. That's people pour their milk first are crazy. I just finished Outer Banks. It's pretty sweet. But my all-time favorite is probably Breaking Bad. It's a pretty good TV show. GIF. Whatever floats your boat. I don't know. Connor Roulette, because he's a beauty. Love the guy.